guys, what's up? It's Bex, and I'm back with an unboxing video. So I got my FabFitFun Winter 2023 box. So let's see if it disappoints or if it surprises me. Be sure to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Hit that little bell icon so you get notified each and every time I upload a video. All right, let's get unboxing. The last few boxes from FabFitFun have just not been great. They've been really awful, honestly. So I got this as an add-on, and it is a desk mat. So I'm going to be using this downstairs on my office desk. And then I got for Gus, I do believe this was an add-on, I'm not sure. But look just how cute. It's a little puppuccino. So then I do believe this was an add-on as well. I want to try it. It's a gluten and dairy digestive aid. So I have PCOS, and that means gluten and dairy are things that really trigger and inflame me. So I'm excited to try it. Then I chose as one of the items, I did choose to do these Appraise, these reusable eye masks, eye patches, and I did that because I typically wear a lot of eye masks, so I'm excited to try that. Ooh, I'm excited about this. I can't remember if this was an add-on that I did or if it was something else, but it is a 4-piece sponge and puff set, which is exciting for me. Then I got the Leave-In Blonde Toning Drops, Mixed Feelings from IGK. Then I got the Gentle Retinol Serum from Verse. And I really like this brand. Ooh, then for when I do my makeup, I got these cute little clips. So this is the Biossance. This is the Squalane plus Vitamin C Rose Oil. And it helps brighten and firm. So then I picked a robe as one of the items because I so desperately need a robe, especially when I get out of the shower or bath.
That's a robe.
Yes, this is my robe. Walk out that door and leave with them.
That's stealing.
Yes, it is.
I cannot believe I'm doing this.
And then I got, which I'm a little upset about because I'm pretty sure I paid extra money to have this, and this is not their normal size. And for the cost of it, that's kind of shisty because I really do like Glam Glow. Ooh, then I got brightening and clearing eye masks from Topicals, but it came like this. Good job, FabFitFun. And then I got the NARS lipstick in the shade Shag. And then the 3-in-1 charging station from EXO Sienna. So my first impressions and thoughts are, this really isn't a box that I've come to know and love when it comes to FabFitFun. Usually they send a lot of really amazing items to try. Their add-ons are excellent. This last year I've been very disappointed, and after this box I'm done canceling my subscription, and I've been loyal. I've been a subscriber for, gosh, over, I want to say 8 years now. So I'm a little disappointed, but you know, it is what it is sometimes with these subscription boxes. Sometimes you just gotta take a break. What do you guys think? Do you guys subscribe to FabFitFun? Do you guys have any subscription boxes that you think that I might like, that you really enjoy? Leave a comment below, let me know what you think. And as always, thanks for popping by, and be sure to subscribe before you leave. Bye.